Hey friends, I have something a little bit different for you today. Until about a year ago, this channel was mostly used to post my students' recital videos. I had less than 100 subscribers, and then I created my online course, Simple and Beautiful Piano for Adult Beginners, and I started using this channel to promote my course and nurturing in the way that made sense for that. Today, I have over 12,000 subscribers, and many of my videos have been watched thousands of times, even hundreds of thousands times. Thank you so much. And because of that, I felt like it wasn't really appropriate to put my students' recital videos anymore. Until recently, a student who's enrolled in my course told me that he found my YouTube channel and it was my student's recital video that left an impression on him. So I thought, you know what? Why not? This is real life. This is where I came from. And this is still what I do. Even though I run my online business, I still keep a small group of students as my private students. And yes, this channel is to give you information and give you teaching videos, but it's really also about inspiring you. And if my young students can inspire you as you are on your own journey, how wonderful would that be? And I am leaving the comments open for you. I don't have any students' names because of privacy issues, but I would love to pass your comments to my students. And I ask kindly that you just leave kind messages for my students. The first part of the recital is where they play solo pieces written by other composers. And usually I ask students to answer a question for each recital that we do. And this time the question was, what makes you keep going in piano when you face challenges? So you're gonna hear their answers before you hear a little snippet of their playing. The second part, you're gonna hear original compositions by students themselves. The last part of the recital is when we did a complete open improvisation jam session. I do improvisation with my students, but this was the first time we did it publicly without really a plan. So we just went ahead and did it. And it was a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoy these performances. And thank you again for joining again. Next week, I'm going to publish a regular video of my teaching. So see you then.
What keeps me going when things are hard is the satisfaction of getting to the point where I can play easily.
When I'm facing hardship in piano, I like to think about what the end goal is and what I can do, rather than where I am and what I'm facing.
Sometimes piano can be hard, but what keeps me going is the songs in it. Something that keeps me going when things are hard is knowing that if I keep practicing, I'll get better. that keeps me going when things are hard in piano is asking my mom for help. What keeps me going when things get hard is the fact that I'm getting better.
But one thing that always kept me going was taking a deep breath or going away from the piano for a bit, and it always made me feel better to come back and try again.
And one thing that keeps me moving in the piano is that I try again and again.
And I'm going to play Por una cabeza. I like this piece because it's scary in the chorus. What keeps me going when things are hard are my mom and dad because they always encourage me and help me.
While learning this piece, I encountered many challenges, but what made me power through was knowing how proud I would feel once I finished perfecting it.
Thank you.